Of horse number 14, and that should be Super Bowl. Yes, C. Ross on board of Super Bowl. Take your mount, start to make your way to the track. 8, that should be Mohammed and Mohammed on board of Midnight Blue. Yes, and Mohammed. Anyway, as you can see again, it's horse number 3, Appealing Harvest with R. Ali. Yes, number 6. Yes, the board have the name there and we just can't identify it. Of course we have Prem Chandra on horse number 12. Well, the board is going up somewhat slow, and then you have something with the chalk right here. We really can't see exactly what's right on the board. So we have number 1 going there now, and Patrick going there with Lava Lava. Of course, we have number 5, Quiet Dancer Semper. Then we have number 12, Rosetta Primchandra. Number 4, Shibikat Messiah, and that should be at this time here now. Yes, they're off, and straight to front. This should be no other than Appealing Harvest who picked up the running. It seems not. It's C. Ross who picked up the running there now on Captain Cook up in front there and seems to be going quite comfortable. Then we have Patrick making some good runs there with Lova Lova. Appealing Harvest and Captain Cook. Yes, it seems to be C. Ross up in front there and still enjoying a good length lead there now on Captain Cook. And then we have somebody making a good run out the outside here as they're racing around the turn here. It seems to be no other than Sample here coming up with no other than Quiet Dancer. It's the Quiet Dancer now who picked up the running. It's Quiet Dancer 2 furlong to go. Quiet Dancer seems to be coming in with a brilliance of scallop on the inside here. And somebody's still making a good run on the outside too. They're spread across the field. It's Appealing Harvest is coming with a good run on the wide outside. But still, it's Quiet Dancer who seems to hold on to the lead as they race faster half a furlong pole. And somebody making a good run on the inside too. But it still seems to be Quiet Dancer. It's Quiet Dancer. It's Cat Messiah. Cat Messiah. Nice piece of running from Baldale. He was challenging all the time. He was left away there by that one on the outside. But then he, with determination, Baldale drives Cat Messiah to a late run and finish on top there.
Yeah, happiness is the measure of success.
Yeah, well, I was expecting this. He was always working good, and I want you to know that he's the only Guyana bred competing within Jamaican and Trinidad, and today he's representing all the Guyana bred in the country.
Will be taking place.
This is sweet.
Yeah, very sweet, very sweet. I'm so excited.
Story here. Yes, they're all posing there for the camera. And again, I ask you to put on together for local Cat Messiah. Did a wonderful piece of running, brilliant piece of riding, mind you, comes from Paul Bell.
Well, the race, I had to judge the pace for win the race. I couldn't put you up in front so early. I had to wait pony.
So you understand what is really
And then by the 3 furlong, start move pony.
with Guyana bread
And the answer.
So they will be judging separately.
But
So Guyana
it was a tight finish.
first prize,
We can't really jostling in the race.
price 150.
sweet is this to win a kind of cup of beer?
Yeah, very sweet. Enjoying.
Feel good. It's different. It's different from all the other horse races. It's it's nice. It's big. Everything look well put together.
Big racing fan.
I am. Well, I lately get into horse racing, but yeah, I like it. I see myself bringing the horse. Not for this year, but definitely next year I'm taking part.